One key logarithm to remember, I think, is log of 100. We're using base 10 here, and this is saying, what do I raise 10 to the power of to get 100? So the answer is 2. And you can start with that log to base 10 of 100, and you can rewrite it in exponential form. 10 squared equals 100. And we're doing a similar thing here in part 1. We can rewrite it so a is actually 2 to the power of 3. The answer is going to be 8. Log to base 2 of 8 is 3. If you really struggle, of course, you can just try some numbers out on your calculator. You could try 10. Oh, that's a bit big. Okay, but hopefully you get that understanding that it is, yeah, it's 2 to the power of 3 that we're interested in. Hence, solve this equation. So it's asking us to use that result we've just found, but there's going to be some extra things to do as well. These are 2 logs subtracted. So good opportunity to write down our 3 rules of logs. There's the multiplication one where you end up adding. There's the division one where you end up subtracting. And then there's the power one where you can bring the power down. So here we have a subtraction. Therefore, it's going to be log to base 2. This is for any base, by the way. It's going to be log to base 2 of x over x minus 1 that equals 3. And that, using part 1, we can now simply say that x over x minus 1 must equal 8, because that's our a here. We can multiply through by x minus 1, so x is going to be 8x minus 1, or 8x minus 8. I tend to try and keep the x's positive in this situation, so I would minus x from both sides, add 8 to both sides to give 7x equals 8, and therefore x is 8 over 7. If you prefer, you could minus the 8x from both sides to give minus 7x equals minus 8, and then divide through by minus 7. Okay, we will get the same thing. There's less steps here, but you end up with negatives. Okay, one more question. So find the exact solution of 3e to the 2x minus 4 equals 0. I think I can just about fit it in here. Right, well, I can first of all write down that 3e to the 2x is going to be 4 by adding 4 onto both sides. So this is our goal. We don't want to try and take logs yet. We want to try and get e to the 2x by itself. Then we can take logs to undo the exponential. So I've added 4, now I'm going to divide through by 3. Okay, now I can either use my knowledge from here. So if I have 10 squared equals 100, then it's going to be log to base of the, log to base 10 of 100 that equals 2. So here it's going to be log to base e, or ln, of 4 over 3 that equals 2x. Okay, so you can undo the log like that. Or you could do ln of both sides. You might prefer that. The ln and the e, well, you bring the 2x down, 2x ln e, or ln e is just 1, equals ln 4 over 3. We get exactly the same answer. They've asked us for the exact solution, so x is then just going to be a half ln 4 over 3. Okay, good work.